Hi, I'm Sumit Sinha. I'm the co-founder of Fable Care.
Hi, I'm Mukesh Bansal, co-founder at Fable.
Mukesh and I started this company 2 years ago, primarily focusing on chronic diseases in India. We started Fable Care with primarily one objective, which is to serve the chronic disease patients in our country. And this is what we have been able to achieve in the last 2 years. We are currently impacting more than 60,000 patients in India and are operational for more than 800 plus doctors in India. And this is leading to a massive revolution that we have kickstarted. Our doctors have been able to save a lot of patient lives, more than 100 in the last 18 months since we were operational. We have been quite effective, and that is one of the reasons why Omron has chosen us as partners in India, where the largest hypertension company, which is Fable, and the largest device manufacturer of hypertension management devices in the world are coming together to launch India's largest hypertension management program. From this particular program, basically users will be able to connect their devices with the Fable app. The data will come automatically to Fable app, and which will go to the doctor immediately. If there is any anomaly, that will be reported to the doctor and also with the right guidance to the patient in terms of what is it that they need to do. And this will definitely save more human lives and will give faster actionable insights to doctors for them to work upon.
We are really excited to partner with Omron, the world leader in hypertension management, to bring an innovative solution to manage this disease. Through this partnership, we intend to provide end-to-end solution to manage hypertension onto the Fable platform.
This kind of intervention is revolutionary in India because this has never been done, and this is going to bring about a huge change in outcomes of patients and their health in India.
Our vision is making happen about the zero heart attack and zero brain strokes. Fable and Omron can make it happen.